Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. Remove the cover to gain access. Carefully disconnect all the cables. Unscrew the board from all four sides. Center the new motherboard in its position and secure it with screws. Reconnect all the connections. To connect the cables for the X-axis and Y-axis motors, check the markings to determine which one is for the X and which one is for the Y. Once everything is connected, check that all connections are secure. We put the cover back in place.